Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Medium article. So first of all, let's log into our Medium. So this is the article I've written on my Medium. Alright, so if I want to edit this article right here, all you have to do is click on these three buttons right here, okay? Click on it and click on edit story, okay? Alright, so once you click on edit story right here, this is the title and these are the paragraphs. So you can change whatever you want to change, okay? You can change the title. Once you're done editing, all you have to do is just click on save and publish, okay? So it's pretty much easy to do. All right, so right here you can click on change topics, change display title or subtitle, okay? You can see you can change something quickly or change featured image, or change topic. You can add another topic right here. So it depends on what you want to do. So all you have, once you're done with that, just click on save and publish, okay? And your post has been published. So it's pretty much the same on mobile phone. So once you log into your Medium, just go to your article and click on these three buttons, edit story, and then edit it whatever way you like. So this is the easiest way to edit your article on Medium. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.